provider select Total Parts Pro Toyota 2017 Mazda BT50 stock number 7180. It's running on 10th from the 11th to 6th 2020. It's a B50AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a B50AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left-hand headlight needs polish. Left front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Front guard no dents. Left-hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Left rear right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 18-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front goodies light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,